Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video of Trains At. Today we are at Ashford International on HS1. Arriving in there was 377504 on the service to London Victoria, which is the 1426 service. I'll just get the rear numbers for you when the train departs. On my right hand side is 375817, as we have a Southern Class 170 heading bound to Hastings via Rye. Oh, it's 171122. Sorry, I thought it would be a 170.
Hello, mate. You alright, yeah? Yeah. This is you, I take it. Enjoy it, car. Have a good one. Take care.
Right now is the 1426 service to London Victoria, formed of a pair of Class 377s with 511 being on the rear. Three 75603 on a service to London Charing Cross with 375810 as well. Leaving now is 5R38 on a service to Ashford Downyard, formed of 375518, I'd like to say, 817, sorry, messed that one. And 375909 on 5R38, I'll give you the proper name for it. Head into Ashford Downyard, Washer Road, South East. Next train to arrive in is 1J41 on the 1443 South Eastern High Speed service to London St Pancras International. This service is formed of 395005. To depart now is the slightly delayed 1J41. Next train to arrive on the 1452 running 1J38 will be a 395 Javelin bound for Margate.
Sunday the 1st of May only, buses replace trains between Ashford International and Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Checking the journey in South Eastern Railway UK. Tweet us at EC_Railway.
Arriving in behind me, running 5 Whiskey 00. Seems to be a class 375, I'd like to say. Bound for Ashford to form a service to London Charing Cross. Formed of 375801. 901. But yeah, it's twice I've done that. Now is the 1502 service to Sandwich, formed of 2R40. Running 2R40, do apologise.
Martin Mill, Walmer, Deal and Sandwich. This train has 8 coaches. Due to a short
Formed of a pair of class 375s with 923 on the front.
5 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
The headboard says Ramsgate, but the board says Sandwich, so.
1505 Southeastern service to Ramsgate.
Going in now is 375909. With 375817. Arriving in, running 2 Whiskey 48, which will be forming the 1502 service to London Charing Cross. So it was originally running 5 Whiskey 48. Arriving in now is 2N38, running with 375302 on the service to Ramsgate. This is the 1505 service. Have got Ramsgate, so this one's supposedly going to Sandwich. Right now is 375923 on the service to Sandwich. With 375715 on the rear. We are waiting on the imminent arrival of 2D83 on a southern service, I do believe. So that should be here shortly. Ready to depart now is 375302 on the 1505 service to Ramsgate. With 375918 on the rear of that service. can see the nose poking out in the corner there. Next train to arrive in is 5J43, running a service to London St Pancras International. This will be the 1519 departure, where it will join onto another service. Formed of a Class 395 Javelin. As we should also have the arrival of a Southern Class 171, and we do come around the curve, as you can see. Formed of 395028. Hopefully we catch a quick glimpse of the 171. There she is. Service is formed of 171802. And with that, guys, this is where I'm going to be ending my video here at Ashford International. If you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do apologise about the lack of Eurostar services, however I am heading down to Stratford International to catch a couple in a few minutes time. So yeah, check out all social media platforms in the description down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video at Stratford International. Thanks for watching.